Hey everyone, today we'll be going over a brief flooring demonstration here on Togal.AI. We can start by clicking the toggle button up at the top of the screen. We can direct it as to what we want. For flooring, most of the time, all we'll need is net area, these door center lines, and wall perimeters. We'll click go. This will give us a nice head start so we don't have to manually click and trace every single room like you would on some legacy tools. Now that our AI has traced all of these rooms individually, we can start to reassign some of these rooms. We can do that by clicking and dragging our mouse to select some of these hotel rooms down on the bottom. I will just right click on them and change them from this net area to whatever type of flooring that I prefer. I can do the same thing up on the top of the screen, and then I have a keyboard shortcut where we press Control L for last classification. Now, these bathrooms here that are on the inside, we have a select tool where I can click and drag my mouse here to select strictly just those interior bathrooms and excluding the showers. I can then right click and change those to tile or whatever type of flooring that we need. Elevators, we can always just delete. Same with the staircases. The corridor, we can right click, we can change that one to epoxy or LVP, whatever we think's appropriate. And I can also change that lobby area, as well as this elevator lobby. Even though I already called it carpet, I can still change that over to that LVP. For everything else remaining, I can simply hold Control down on my keyboard and select the eyeball for net area to see what else I have remaining here. Make it easy on myself to be able to delete the shafts, as well as if I want to apply any kind of flooring to these showers that remain, I can do that. Or I could remove them, either way. Now I have all of my flooring completed on here. If we are going to do baseboards, we can do the same thing. We have wall perimeter already traced on here, which is each side of these walls being traced individually. The hotel rooms, if these are getting wood base, we can just right click on those and change them to wood base. Do the same thing up at the top of the screen, select those. I'll leave the elevator lobby alone. Press Control L to reassign those to wood base as well. If the corridor, as well as this elevator lobby, is getting vinyl base, well, then we can right click and reassign it to vinyl base. And you'll see over on my quantities panel, not only am I tracking linear measurement, but I'm tracking materials as well. This wood base is set up for 16-foot boards, and my vinyl base is set up for 50-foot rolls. I can always pad those numbers and add a 10 or 15% waste factor if need be. The remaining items are easy to, again, point out just by holding down Control on my keyboard and selecting the eyeball for wall perimeter so I can see the remaining rooms. You notice that I have a shaft area here that we can always just delete. And same with my bathrooms. If I wanted to just select some of these rooms and change those to wood base as well, we can do that. To hide them, I can select the eyeball just to make them disappear. Now that all I have left are showers, I can take those, and I'm assuming we're not going to do any kind of floor base on those, but if we wanted to make something on the fly, we call those shower wall tile. Pick a color, get the length, vertical area, simply by giving it a height. There you have it. We've got length and square footage for those. The last piece to the puzzle would be these door center lines. Every door opening gets marked with a line on here, which we can use for a lot of information. We can use that to calculate trim work or other types of material going on with this project. I can simply highlight them all, right click, and change those to interior or exterior door trim, which will then in turn give me linear foot of trim. I can also reassign them after the fact. So if I want to take these corridor walls here and change those from interior door trim to exterior to give myself a different linear measurement. So in just a few short seconds, we have flooring done with carpeting LVP VCT. as well as exterior, interior door trim, wood base, vinyl base, and even shower walls. So flooring takeoffs can be completed in here in just a matter of minutes. If you'd like to see Togal.AI work on your plans, feel free to go to our website to book a custom demonstration. And I look forward to talking with you then.